YouTube, welcome to another beautiful, fun and exciting episode of Cast and Class. And I'm in nice, good, beautiful, great fun house, Nkupi, entertainer. All over the job, so the channel, not me, Nkupi. Hey man, I'm gaining weight. I don't like these things of weight. Ito pala kung kichimisha. What go doing? And I landed in Victoria. I'm gonna move very fast in and out. I met up with my guy again. That one will come here. Yeah, first time. Oh, also, my guy, he mounted me. I got one of the Norwich Sticker 165 here. So what you got 165? What's another para? Big fat tires. So the big fat carry. Big fat carry number one. $195. 1 million. He gave me his old tire. Starch. Stances stał starchisha. Stances stał starchisha. So change your tire. Isi fe. I'm on a number of truck. So my fate to I left Victoria Minor. Let me go home. Home, home, we wanna go home, 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 we wanna go home. Siara. Last time, this time, available at the tires. Touch. Guys, now we're in Tamela Manat. Don't know how to know why. Or Girat, ring arch, irpe, Marawa Topitori, packing, repair, irpe, hop, Hoavita, hope, whopper, what's what we do? Hoavita, whopper, irpe, sure, Giratiligan. Tragayar nagyat. Tragay is try lagu. Tragay is try lagu. Kaya tragay wali dia. Mana ba 20 traga ba fani nga ba tubo tumun. Ba 20 traga ba wala is true man. Yes. But 20 track stroke upon your high cholesterol, sodium imbalance, NaOH imbalance. Sorry, but You want to kill us? You want to kill us? Trump people, you want to kill us? You never get it, do you? Damn it, bowlers. I said it off. Only way people get angry and break their plasma screens, which they bought with so much money, and over an empire, a cricket empire doing a wrong judgment. They break the whole TV. Why are you looking at me like that? Wait. What if I can mask this phone here? Then I drive. And you have a POV all the way. But you need the POV somewhere here. So I must mask it somewhere here. You see if it sits here and records like this. For me, this will be a killer. Sahur is for sale. Come and buy Tung Sahur. You can own this beast and own the streets. Rule N1. KZN will be afraid of you. When you get in, they'll shake. KZN people will pray that you bring your gearbox so you don't come to their show and show them flames. Hey, KZN people. I'm sure you guys if it was possible that I pitch in KZN with Don Sahur, you are gonna know me beautiful. You are gonna know me beautiful. Transcorp 20. So Transcorp is 20 Ks. 20 Ks. Okay. Guys, Tung Sahur is for sale. Why am I selling it? I want to complete my E30 build to the spec that I want. Guys, you all know my builds are top notch. You know. So I could build Pushela 325 without selling a Sky Code, but the spec would be low budget, and I don't want that. So that's it. Yeah, some of you guys won't understand, you'll get angry and all of that, but you'll be fine. You'll be fine. At the end of the day, I'm the one who knows what I need to do for continuation to take place. Continuity of my building series. So are you? Can I not go to the grand store? see this man, you know you're who. That man with the elephant. So guys, consumption wise, this car doesn't chow petrol. I wasn't gonna be doing up and downs of N1 like this. And I feel like you guys will. Lanzeba nakela makhala njalo ka petrol. Ngiyakhala yonke. Let's survive. Grand scope. Brapol is here. Ay! Ha! Hey, kole phela itswelela even. This car always arrives. Linyaka mo N1. I mean mo highway. I didn't see but it's very big moss. Team Zebra. Hey man. I will not discuss it. Brapologan Jaga. Guys, Brapologan Jaga forever. Sure. He was coming from Victoria as well. Then I waited up for him and then now we're going home. Famous Shara. Torre, I mean. Nkupi. Could have split in air, but he likes listening to the Vura. So let's call it a day. Thank you.